Hello children, today I am going to explain you chapter number 4 addition. Addition we are using in our daily life when we are going to market, while going to the shops, we use addition. Generally we are using addition in our daily life. Here today I am going to explain you about some of the properties of addition. Children, do you know the properties make the addition or maths very easy? With the help of properties, we can add the numbers very quickly. So, here I am going to explain three main properties of addition. The very first property is order property, that is also known as commutative property. After that, I will explain you about the grouping property or the associative property. And the last property, that is additive property for 0. Let's understand the very first property, that is order property. Children, the order property is also known as commutative property. The property means the sum of two numbers does not change when the order of the addends is changed. Let's understand the property with the help of very simple example. Here in the example, I have added 5 and 4. After that, I have added 4 and 5. You can see in both the cases, I have got the answer 9. It means if I am changing the order of the number, the answer is remain same. It will not change. Let us understand the order property of addition with the help of one more example. In this example, as you can see, we are going to find the sum of 11,236 and 19,632. Here I have done the sum in two different ways by changing the order of both the numbers. And in both the conditions, the answer is same, that is 30,868. It means that if we will change the order of the addends, it will not affect the sum and the sum will remain same. The second property is grouping property. This grouping property is also known as the associative property for addition. It means the sum of three or more numbers does not change even when their grouping is changed. यहाँ इसे भी हम एग्जाम्पल से समझेंगे. यहाँ हमने अब 3 नंबर्स को जोड़ा है. बच्चों, ये प्रॉपर्टी 3 या उससे ज़्यादा नंबर्स को जोड़ने के लिए ही काम आती है. जैसा कि आप एग्जाम्पल में देख सकते हैं, यहाँ मैंने 2, 3 और 5 को 2 अलग अलग तरीक़ों से जोड़ा है. पहले मैंने 2 और 3 का ग्रुप बनाया है ब्रैकेट की मदद से, जिसको जोड़ के 5 आया, और फिर उसमें 5 जोड़ा है जिससे कि 10 आ रहा है. दूसरे केस में मैंने 3 और 5 को पहले जोड़ा है जिससे कि 8 आया, और अब इसमें मैंने 2 को जोड़ा जिससे कि 10 आया है. यानी कि ग्रुप चेंज करने से सम पर कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. दोनों ही केसेस में सम सेम है. नाउ let us understand the grouping property of addition with the help of one more example. Here I have added 3 different addends. Already I told you that for grouping property we need at least 3 or more than 3 addends. So our first addend is 10,524, the second addend is 13,937, and the third addend is 11,059. I have added these 3 addends in 2 different ways. I have made the bracket also. So bracket, where I have made the bracket, the numbers will be added first. See the first situation. In this situation, I have added 10,524 and 13,937. The sum is 24,461. Now I have added 11,059 with 24,461 and the sum is 36,520. See the second situation. In this situation, I have added 13,937 and 11,059, and the sum is 24,996. After that, I have added 10,524 to 24,996 and the sum is still same, that is 36,520. It proves that if we will make the different groups, it will definitely not affect the sum. The last property is the additive property for 0. In this property, the sum of a number and 0 is the number itself. As you can see the example, here I have drawn one drum in which there are total 9 balls. In another drum, no ball is there. But the answer is 9 itself. मतलब ये हुआ कि यदि हम 0 में किसी नंबर को जोड़ते हैं या किसी भी नंबर में 0 को जोड़ते हैं, दोनों ही कंडीशन में आंसर वही नंबर आता है. Let us understand the same with the help of one more example. I have added 1674 with 0 and the answer is the number itself, that is 1674. In another condition, I have added 0 and the number 1674. But the answer is remain same, that is the number itself, that is 1674. मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आपको बड़े से बड़े नंबर में 0 जोड़ना है तो आपको उसमें टाइम वेस्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आपका आंसर वो नंबर खुद होगा. तो इस तरीके से ये प्रॉपर्टीज़ हमारा टाइम बचाती हैं और मैथ्स को और इजी बनाती हैं. So, with the help of these slides, I think you must have understood the concept of properties of addition. These properties help you to do the addition sums more quickly and easily. That's all for today. Thank you.